What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back again with another weekly analysis on our indices, right? So before I start, just remember that if you want to stand a chance to win VIP access for free, just like and comment down below. I will be picking every winner each and every Thursday, so make sure you don't miss that. Okay, so let's get right into it. So we always start I'm going to start with V25 today, and I think I'm going to end with V75. Like, I know most people like V75, so that's what I'm going to end off with. So I must put a disclaimer that forex trading is risky, so make sure you apply the proper risk management, and this is not financial advice, right? So I'm just doing this for educational purposes only. So we have V25 in our daily time frame. What is it that we can see? We can see that V25 is now it broke this resistance level that we had created, right? If you still remember from our previous analysis, it means V25 did break this resistance level. So what we are looking at maybe is we now have another resistance level here. Okay, we now have another resistance level set on top right there, and this becomes our support. You can also see that this can be labeled as another support level, right, somewhere here. So V25 managed to break our resistance level from here, and this turned out to be our support, and then this is now the new resistance level. So we can see that it's now pushing down from the new resistance level, maybe to retest the support again. Okay, so maybe let's just take a look at the 4-hour time frame and see what we have. Okay, from the 4-hour time frame, I want to have trend lines, because I can see I can have at least 3 points on my line, which is good. Yeah, I can have at least 3 points on my line, and here I can have 2 points. So I believe the third one is the one where price is headed. Okay, let me do this properly, something like this. Okay, so I'm hoping price will try to reach this level and then maybe bounce back. So this is the 4-hour time frame. Remember, we're looking at the bigger picture. What might actually happen is price will push back to this point and then drive back down, and then actually do this. So I'm now looking at the bigger picture, because remember this is a weekly analysis, right? So remember, I'm looking at this for the first time, and this is what I'm getting, right? So maybe let's look at another one. Remember, I said I'll finish with V75, so I'm gonna go to V10, and I'm gonna choose my daily time frame and see what we have. Okay, I'm gonna concentrate on a small portion, and I'm gonna set off my resistance levels to be this. Sorry, resistance level this. Just lower it, and I'm gonna set off my support. Not again. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna set off my support to be at this point, right? So I managed to accommodate everything. So this is what I have for my daily time frame. Let me zoom so that you can clearly see what I'm talking about. Let me go on to maybe my 4-hour time frame. Okay, oh, there was nice entries here that we actually missed. This is what we have from the 4-hour time frame. I'm trying to look for a proper trend, but I can't find it, which will force me. Okay, I can also see that this is an area the price has been rejecting quite a number of times. So this will be, this will be my analysis. Price will drive back to retest, and price will go back up. This will be my analysis, because I can see that price was once hitting this, going down, hitting this, going down. There was a fake out here, but then went back down. So I'm expecting the same thing here, and then an overall uptrend. Okay, I couldn't find a proper trend. Let's look at, I'm gonna look at so many indices so that you actually get some help. So this is V10, right? Okay. This is V10 daily time frame. Let's see. So right from the beginning, you can see that V10 has been crazily going down. Like, this is insane. So just make sure you like and subscribe, guys. This really, I really take my time to do this, so I would appreciate if you like and subscribe. Okay, there are so many gaps here, but what can we say about these gaps? Each and every time we have this gap, prices are dropping, right? Did you notice that, guys? Each and every time we are having gaps, price ends up dropping, except here it dropped. Okay, so here it was in an uptrend and then there was a gap. Okay, so I'm expecting price to actually drop also here. Okay, let's go to forward time frame and see what we have. Okay, this is not a clean chart. I can see, as you can see, I'm really trying to get a clear picture of what is happening. This is the best that I can do. Okay, maybe let's see 1 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, this is my best guess that price is definitely going to push back down like this. I don't know, guys, what do you think? Okay, I'm really trying to look at so many. We've looked at 4, right? Is that so? Let me go to daily time frame. So I'm giving you the bigger picture first. Okay, this is nice. Nice resistance level there, and price started to drive down. So I'm expecting that maybe price is looking okay, maybe price is trying to drop back down. Let's see the 4 hour time frame and see what exactly is happening. So we have another point, we have a key area here, which I'm thinking that's where our price is heading, right? Which I think that's where our price is heading. Also here, the key area here, as you can see, and then it was respected, and then it turned out to be the new support. It was once our resistance. Here, price was dropping. Then it ended up being our support for this resistance. Okay, so this is now a resistance again for this. Can maybe lower. So we can say price broke this support to hit this one. So maybe this is the area to bounce back. I'm not gonna leave any arrows for this one because it's not in a good position. Maybe let's just have our trend lines drawn. We'll wait for it. By the way, if you want these setups to be in a premium group, just contact me. Okay, this is what we currently have. We miss opportunities here. This is when we're supposed to take our sell trade. So now we're just gonna wait and see what happens next. Okay, maybe let me look at V75 before I no longer have time. Ooh, daily time frame as usual. So this has been happening for quite some time. I think this was the first peak, and then price started to respect. Okay, no, the second one was this one actually. The second one was this one, which I think is the new peak, and then we had this as the other peak, and then we had the lowest, this one, and then we had another inner one somewhere here, somewhere here. It acted as both support and resistance, right? So this is what we currently have. You can see a rejection candle here. Is it? No, it's not yet a rejection candle. Where is our price? Our price is way over here. Wow, price is way over here. If I'm correct, yeah, price is way over here. But this looks like a rejection candle. This is actually a rejection candle. There's been a gap, and then price is over here. It's a rejection candle. So I would suspect price to come back to one of these areas, especially this one. This is what I'm really hoping for, because it has been a major zone for us. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I think we lost some of our zones. Okay, we're back. Yeah, price definitely has to start pushing back down and correct all the way up. So this, you should definitely get it. This sell, you should definitely get it, because we're now expecting a correction. The correction of this upward movement. We're now expecting a correction of this movement. Let me see if I can have a trend line, a channel, sorry. Let's see if I can have a channel. Okay, I can't really get points on the line, but we are supposed to have a correction on this movement that happened, right? So that is all for this week. I hope you enjoyed. Like, share, comment. I'm doing this out of my free time, so I'm sure you should be appreciating it. And remember, if you want to be in the VIP group for free, just comment. Every Thursday I'll pick one person, so you never know, it might be your turn. And until next time, goodbye.